In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple branches in your Zoho Books organization. Managing branches properly in Zoho Books is really important if your business operates from more than one location, or if you want to separate different business units under one main Zoho account. By setting this up correctly, you can keep your finances organized, make reporting cleaner, and avoid mixing up transactions between branches. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Books, then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the Zoho Books home or dashboard screen, you'll see your usual menus and your current organization's data. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile area, which usually shows your name or your profile icon. Right beside it, there's a small arrow or drop-down indicator. Click on that arrow. This menu is where Zoho keeps options related to your account and organizations. When the drop-down opens, you'll see a few options. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Manage. Go ahead and click on Manage. This will take you to the page where all your organizations connected to this Zoho account are listed. Think of each organization as a separate branch, company, or entity within Zoho Books. This is the control center where you can add, edit, or switch between them. On the Manage Organizations page, take a moment to review what's already there. If you've only been using one organization up to now, you'll probably see just a single entry. Zoho allows you to create additional organizations so you can separate the books for each branch, which helps with things like tax reporting, permissions, and tracking performance. To add a new branch, look for the button or link that says New Organization. It's usually prominent on this page. Click on New Organization to start setting up your new branch. Zoho Books will then guide you through a setup process where you'll enter details like the organization name, country, currency, and other basic information. These details should match the branch you're creating, so invoices, taxes, and reports are all accurate for that location. Once you finish the setup, Zoho Books will create that new organization as a separate branch under your account. From now on, you can use that same profile dropdown and manage screen to switch between branches and keep each one's books clean and organized.